Meghalaya State Legal Service Authority MSLSA mentagasngi ka khatnyau tarik guluber kala Pynlong ye ka program ai Jinghikai na ka benta kinoyalam Shnong kinoyalam thau kum kawai na ka thong ban pensyai halor ki an bat ki lat jingirap na ka sarkar ha ka bede bat ki kam an bagi pai ba ki don kam ka jingirap na ka sarkar. Ya kini ka program ai Jinghikai belatip kum ga Mediation and Community Mediation na ka benta ki Rangbah Shnong bat ki sim ya ka bala Pynlong ha umling sin adi block Khubor district. Ha kini ka program la shimenta dau TTM Sangma MUS officer on special duty ka MSLSA ka kong ai Lingkhoi secretary ka DLSA Khubor district uba Eric Sidkhar BDO ka umling sin adi block kentup group bat ki Rangbah Shnong bat ki we.
Meghalaya State Legal Services Authority, Daka, District Legal Services Authority, Nongkwa. Nanti boleh kira Shnong ki baru mengaji training mission bertanam, Khubor ki awareness programs. Nanti you must be knowing what the District Legal Services Authority is. Hingga negara हम के District Legal Services Authority हमारे districts ये dan का District Legal Services Authority हमने जो ये dan ये लोगों हमारे लोगों का building district and sessions court ये की members जो है District Legal Services Authority you can talk the district and sessions judge the chairperson John authority the secretaries the members the deputy commissioners but the SPs the free legal services by the District Legal Services Authority the I and the Yara mostly we do all lada ki mopaguma by Khubor and Khubor kashari ki beliau ki kham salia Mslsa court Rangbah ni all pilot kawaisa Khubor expenses are there so hence Shillong apprehensive ki had the Mslsa court the District Legal Services Authority there ka I had if you will but one support that me I least leader was not common CEO Jinghikai. Ini leader we go and the government leaders and the LADs or LACs for the legal aid councils then we legal aid defense councils but I told me that Mslsa was vetted the District Legal Services Authority I free legal services Kalau kilo kira Khubor kashari, he went to Khubor District Legal Services Authority, and in I applications job kilo with that case financial court kamaan ada nilai applications is scrutinized, but in I legal aid councils and legal aid defense councils too.
So we're having a training for the headmen on the something called the community mediation for the headmen. So what we plan to introduce is the principles of natural justice into the way justice is administered at the village level. So what this is a project which has been commissioned by the Department of Justice, and two districts have been chosen. Khubor being an aspiration district and West Garo Hills being a very diverse district. So we have different sorts of headmen and different slight variations in the way justice is administered. So the main object of this project that we are conducting, we're going to have a total of 32 trainings, about 800 headmen are going to be covered under this. And the initial part of the training has started today in Khubor. There will be a 2-day training, the first day for theory and the second day on the mock trial, so to say. So what we plan to do is to, in addition to the powers that they already exercise under, with the customary practices and traditions, we plan to supplant it by maybe introducing the principles of natural justice into the way justice is administered, making justice more accessible, more fair, trying to balance the individual rights and also the power of the headmen without taking away any of the powers from them. So these, as you all aware, that the sixth schedule of the Constitution, being a part of the Constitution, cannot be violative of any principles of the, or any articles of the Constitution. So we want to make the people aware of the powers that they can, the headmen especially, the powers that they can exercise, and also to balance individual rights. So the mediation is coming in a big way in settling disputes, commercial disputes. There's a mandatory provision for mediation, and also we don't want to be left behind in that. So we want to maybe settle disputes at the village level as soon as possible. So under this, we have covering all the nokmas, the headmen, whoever is exercising the powers of administration of justice at the village level. So we've started with Khubor, and we plan to go to even West Garo Hills, and the target is about 800 headmen, and we plan to maybe round off by maybe July. So the deliverables are there, and this project, as I earlier said, is commissioned by the DOJ. So we hope by June and July we're able to do a study and also take feedback from the headmen on how it has gone about. So this is a brief about the training that we have in the at the moment that we're running. It's called it's a part of the access to justice from the DOJ, and we have some material on this. It's called increasing access to justice through community mediation.